You especially want to use On Guard soft gels when you like to give your immune system an extra boost.
You can take 1 to 3 drops of On Guard every 4 to 6 hours for up to 3 weeks. If you're taking the soft gels, take 2 to 3 each day.
So what are some of the best ways to use On Guard products for our children?
Well, just like for adults, internal use of oil has powerful effects. This is true for children, but they just don't need as much. If children are under the age of 6, I'd recommend that they use On Guard beadlets instead of On Guard Plus soft gels. If over the age of 6 and able to swallow capsules, then 1 On Guard soft gel per day when needed would be recommended. Teenagers can take 1 to 2 capsules daily, and adults 2 to 3 capsules daily.
Dr. Riggs, if you could recommend people start with just one oil for their immune system, what would it be?
On Guard, no question about that. This is far and away the key immune system oil. So if you're only going to use one, that's the one I recommend.
Thank you so much for sharing your wisdom with us today, Dr. Riggs and Dr. K. This has been phenomenal to gain so much insight.